In this video, I will try and provide you with some ideas for those of you interested in converting a two-car garage into a living area or maybe even an apartment to rent out. So let's go ahead and get started with our standard two-car garage, 20 foot by 20 foot. Usually going to have three walls. It might be attached to a house on one side, or it might be detached from the house. And of course, the garage door can be located on either one of these walls. And of course, we can't forget that you might have a water heater or a washer and dryer in your garage or other things. And I'll be glad to provide you with more information in future videos on how to deal with some of those items if you need more information on that. And about the easiest thing you can do will be to put any windows or entrance doors in the area where the garage door would have been located. And that's exactly what we did here. So we have a bedroom and a closet, a full bath, and a small kitchen. And of course we have a living room over here. And I would like to point out that besides the closet and the bathroom, the other rooms aren't going to be very big. And if you wanted to make the bedroom larger, you could always move this wall over. If you wanted to make the living room larger, you could always move this wall over a little bit. So let's go ahead and take a closer look here. In our bathroom, we're going to have a bathtub, toilet, and a sink. Without any windows, we're going to need a ventilation fan in here somewhere, and that is a building code requirement. In our kitchen, we're going to have a sink, microwave with a range underneath it, a little bit of counter area, and a refrigerator. And again, no windows. You can put windows in if the garage is positioned to where the wall can have a window and the house isn't located on the other side of the garage here. Next up, let's go to the front of the garage. We have a big closet here and a small room, but it's not that small. It's almost 12 feet long in this direction, and it's almost 10 feet long in this direction. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at it from a couple of different views. A bedroom, closet, living room, kitchen, refrigerator, cabinets, microwave, and a range, a sink. Another view of it there. I know if I go too fast, it gets a little crazy. Next up, let's go to the bathroom. We're going to have a sink, mirror, toilet, and a combo unit, bathtub and a shower. And then our closet here. So the bathroom and the closet are going to be regular size for most homes. However, the kitchen and the living room and the bedroom will be a little bit smaller. In our next example, we are going to make the cabinets a little longer here, move the refrigerator, and of course we can put a sink over here. I don't have it drawn in. And then we're going to make the bathroom sink cabinet a little smaller so that we can put a full height cabinet here for linen storage. And then we're going to make the closet a little smaller so that we can put another cabinet in here. And that will look something like this. So again, I don't have the sink drawn in here, but the refrigerator's been moved over, give us a little more space. And then of course we put a full height linen closet here, another cabinet over the toilet, and then another cabinet over here by making the closet a little smaller. In our next plan, we're going to remove the wall here, kind of make it a studio apartment. And then we're going to add a washer and dryer combo unit, along with a couple of windows if we actually could install them on this side of the garage. And then of course a view of what this would look like from the inside. And then of course our windows. And even though the window will be providing us with more natural light in the kitchen, it will also eliminate the room for a microwave and additional cabinet space above the microwave. And in our last example, let's go ahead and throw some furniture in here. I do have a queen size bed, but this is probably more the size of a full size bed with a small sofa, table, and a TV attached to the wall. And that might look something like this. So if we have our wall here, I think we're still going to have enough room for a queen size bed. However, the living room furniture might need to be rearranged. You can see where we wouldn't have much room here to walk by the back of the couch if the wall was here. So the couch would probably go up against the wall and you would walk through here and in front of the couch to get to the kitchen and the bathroom. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. If you want to see more stuff like this, let me know in the comment area. And of course, that would include a variety of different things you might need to build something like this. plumbing, electrical, and framing.